2016 Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter V8. What we got done on it for you guys today. It's got factory converters there and there, total of 4. Then they come true dualed already from the factory. He had everything cut off, unbolted actually, right before the muffler. And it was just too loud for him. So he's like, I'm gonna do center dumps. So that's what we did. Rear axle dumps actually. So it's got 2 1/4 pipe all the way back with dumps right there. As you guys can see, center dump, rear axle dump, center dump, whatever you want to call it. There they are. That's how you get them done. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. And like always, guys, please comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. That's a lot better. Again. Here's sound decibels. Again. That's awesome. Go ahead and back it out. Toyota Tundra. Rear axle dumps. There you guys can see them right there. Let you guys hear it on the inside.